So if hopefully you've seen the last video that I did where this just basically burnt out. It looks like this wire along here is still intact, and it's on the other side where we've got this situation where the wires come away from the board but also lost the connection. I'm not an expert in soldering. I'm just going to see if I can bodge would be the word, this, and see if I can get anything from this system. Because I'm going to mask this so that I don't accidentally short something else while I'm trying to rejoin these two bits. Just check it's in focus. And switch the focus mode to continuous AF. Panasonic's are good at that, right? Well, this is a Panasonic G9, so not exactly the latest, but it is a very nice camera. There, it's a small, whoops. That has kind of made it worse, hasn't it? There's a fairly small gap. Oops. May as well do this while I wait for the soldering iron to heat up. It's only a budget one. Like I say, it's not really one of my specialities. So here's our soldering iron. See if it's at a temperature. It is right. So let's give this a shot. Oops. Apologies for what you're about to witness. This is probably not how you do it. Sticking to the soldering iron, and we want it to stick between these two bits of wire. This is so bad. We may need to actually use some wire. Guess we could keep building this up until it joins. Could be an option. we may have contact. No. Okay, I'm gonna try this. So, we'll get rid of that, get rid of that, and I may as well leave this on because we need something to hold this down really, and stop it from shorting out anything else. Let's just do a bit of tape so it doesn't come into contact with anything. Okay, so we're going to stick in a F164X2. We're going to use this cooler, and we're going to use a different fan. There is some thermal paste on the bottom of here, so we should be alright. Grab this fan. I'm going to try and use this because we should be getting power to this fan if it's working properly. Going to make sure the power supply is switched off before connecting everything. Still very much far too stiff. Definitely fully engaged there. Power connector. Right, okay. Are we ready? We're recording. I've switched up to 50 frames a second. I'm going to switch the power on now. Ooh! We have a working fan and a working motherboard. There we go. That is so not an enjoyable sound. So, yeah. We've got a working system again. Wow. That is kind of crazy. Let me just switch it off. And switching it on again. Hardware monitor. What this cell menu is. So, Okay, we have fixed this motherboard.